Hello, welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're going to be changing out this antenna base for this Rugged Ridge Elite antenna base. It's really going to change out the look. First thing I'm going to want to do is remove this antenna, but I don't want to scratch the paint on it. So I'm going to wrap it around this towel. Next I got to get this plastic off, and there's no real easy way to do it other than ripping it. Now I need an 8mm socket to get these out. Then we put the gasket on there, get out our T25 bit, put the Allen bolt in, and just line everything up. Snug these up. And then reinstall the antenna. And that is what it looks like when it's finished. And I think that looks really smart. So because that install was so quick, I thought I would give you a walk around and show you my new bumpers that are on my Jeep. I decided to put the OEM grill back on. I got a lot of flack over not having a 7-slotted grill, So I thought, why even bother? It's not worth it. But what I did go out and get, it was this steel rugged ridge bumper, and it's a shorty bumper, which means it doesn't go all the way to the end of the tires like the OEM one does. There is a spot here for a winch, and when I go to use the winch, this license plate just lifts up there so I can access the lines, which will attach to here. You can see that the stock fog lights are in place. They were over here and now they're here, which really gives it a nice look. Let's go around to the back. And here's the rear ones. I can put some backup lights here or just some LED lights for off-road travel. It's got the hooks again for if you get stuck in a ditch. The only concern that I have is that it was missing the license plate holder, which on the OEM goes right here. But because of this hook, there's no real spot for it. So I'm eventually getting one that's going to attach right here that has the light on it. Right now I can't really drive my Jeep at night because it doesn't have a light on the license plate. Well, that's it for another episode here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Tell me what you thought of the install for the antenna. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and I think it looks pretty sharp. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please click like if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get notifications for my next video. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.